everyone, it's my pub. Where does the name Coed Bryndansi come from? So today I'm in Coed Bryndansi. It's a little forest just south of Llanelian, and it's full of pine trees. Now the name's made of three parts. Coed, which is wood, Bryn is a hill, and Dansi is the soft mutation of the word tansy, which is borrowed straight from English, tansy, which is a small yellow flower. So literally it means the woods of Tansy Hill. So tansies have been used for all sorts of things through history. So the ancient Greeks used to use them to get rid of stomach parasites, like worms. Apparently they were also used as a flavouring for omelettes, but I won't be able to tell you if that works or not until the summer when they come out. Apparently they still use them for that in Belgium as well, but I don't know how true that is. They were also used as well for their ability to cause menstruation, so they're used as a way of causing abortions. Anyway, exciting stuff. Come and check these little guys out as well. Welsh mushrooms are called madar. Now, Welsh has an unusual category of nouns in it, which I like talking about. And it's a thing called a singulative. It's where the base form of a word is already the plural, and you have to add an ending on it to say you're talking about one of them. And madar is one of them, because mushrooms usually come in groups, right? So madar means mushrooms, but to say a mushroom, you have to say madarchen. You have to add n at the end of it. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more. I'm just outside Coed Bryndansi. I just want to show you some things you can see on the horizon here. So over here is Morfa Uchaf. We'll go up there one day. And this valley behind me is the valley around Betas and Thros, which leads you all the way down to the plain of the Clwyd. And really far in the distance you can see the hills that just about make up the west side of Denbighshire. Now if I look behind me a little bit more to the north, you can see the sea. And over here you can see Mynydd Marian, which I did a video on before. And just over there you can see the hills behind Abergele, I think that's Pennacorthin Mawr. And then over there you can see Rhyl and Talacre.